How does having a garden with fewer weeds sound to you? Well, according to Dr. Lee Reich, who wrote the book on it, Weedless Gardening, it's possible, and it comes down to 4 key steps. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what those steps are so you can be well on your way to having a weedless garden too. And a quick shout out to Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment, for sponsoring this video. So what are those 4 important steps to having a weedless garden? Number 1, no tilling of the soil. Tilling destroys the soil's natural structure and brings dormant weed seeds to the surface where they'll sprout, because now they're getting more sun, air, and water. And be sure to pick out those newly sprouting weeds as soon as you see them. Number 2, make strict designations between planting beds and walking areas. Don't walk in the planting beds and you'll never compact the soil you want to plant in with foot traffic. And number 3, cover your planting beds with compost or mulch. Organic matter feeds the soil so the soil can feed the plants. And when this organic matter is right at the soil surface, well, that's a good place for it to be because that's where most of the roots are too. And number 4, use drip irrigation in your beds. It conserves water by putting it directly into your soil and around the base of your plants instead of spraying it around your entire landscape, where it will just feed weed seeds where they get deposited by wind or birds. Thanks for watching today's video, and be sure to click on the link below for access to Exmark's Backyard Life website, where you can watch more videos with me, as well as other useful rural lifestyle, outdoor living and cooking, and lawn and garden content.